Make up a JJVLO, Toboli, make up a JJVLO, Toboli, Nega Blanyaji, Toboli, Nega.
Hello lovelies, welcome back again to the channel. I hope you all are doing amazingly well. In today's video, I share with you the smart watering and best slimy assorted meat okra stew or soup recipe with you. One of the best okra soup recipe that you can think of. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For ingredients, obviously I'm going to be using okra and I'll be chopping it just the way you see this on your screens right now. You can also grate it or blend it if that is what you want. Either way works perfectly fine. Now let's chop the okra until everything is nice and ready. Now whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos and also supporting as well. I truly appreciate it. Alright, so next let's start by cooking our chopped okra. I'm going to be using jute leaves for this recipe. Use consomme leaves or spinach if that is what you want, okay? Moving forward, I will also go in with some chopped onions to give the okra extra flavor and also a little bit of baking soda to allow the okra draw very well. Now let's stir everything together. I'll cover and I will leave it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 minutes and it should be ready. As always, I will be checking it from time to time. Let's cover and allow it to do its own thing, and after extra 5 minutes we are back to check on it. As you can see, it is cooking very slowly and that's what I'm looking for. I don't want to overcook this at all, okay? Now this is what we have. As you can see, it's looking super drawy and perfect. But at this point it wasn't ready. The okra was a little bit hard, so I need to cook it for extra 5 minutes and it should be ready. And we are back after extra 5 minutes. The okra looks very soft and just perfect. Now I'll leave it to do its own thing off camera whilst we proceed to cook our proteins. To a different pot, I'll go in with some cow feet or kotodwe. I am using the very soft type. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some meat and also some cow skin or kehuro. I'll also go in with some kotodwe or crabs, but I'll be adding it later. Now let's go in with some natural seasoning, which is some herbs and also some meat seasoning powder. Don't forget to go in with some chopped onions and also some salt to taste. I'll stir everything together very nicely and I'll cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 20 minutes on high heat. Since the proteins I'm using is a little bit hard, you really need to cook it very well, okay? We are back after 10 minutes and this is what we have. It's almost done, so let's go in with our crabs or kotodwe. I'm using this type. Feel free to use any type of crabs that you have, okay? Now let's cover it and allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes. And so whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and start making the stew. To a different pot as well, I also go in with some palm oil and also some fermented fish to give the oil extra flavor and nice taste. Now once that is done, I also go in with some blended pepper and onion. You can also use the powdered one if that is what you want, and don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I used in the description box for you to check it out. Now let's stir everything together. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing on low medium heat for about 5 minutes. Now let's check on our proteins to see if it's nice and ready. After extra 5 to 10 minutes, this is what we have. It smells really good in here and the meat looks super soft right now. Now I'm going to set this aside and allow it to do its own thing. While that is going on, let's check on our stew once again, and this is how the stew looks like. It has really darkened up very well, and that's what we're looking for. Now let's go in with some chopped fresh tomatoes. Feel free to blend or use tomato paste for it, and you are good to go. But if you really want your okra to really draw very well, then I will advise you to use fresh tomatoes for this. Okay, now let's stir everything together once again. I'll cover on low medium heat for approximately 5 minutes, and once that is done, we will be back to check on it. And moving forward, I also go in with my cooked proteins together with the stock. We are not wasting anything out today. Okay, now let's go in with some stew seasoning powder and a little bit of salt to taste. Always adjust to your taste. Stir everything together once again. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and at this point, if you are still with me and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and delicious recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now protein is doing perfect, and it's time for me to go in with my okra. As you can see, the okra looks super drawy and just as I want. Now all that is left right now is to stir everything together, allow the okra to cook on low medium heat for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, and it should be ready. And don't forget as well to taste for seasoning if it's okay. If not, you can add in a little bit of seasoning to your taste. Okay, now let's allow it to cook on low medium heat for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, and it should be ready. As always, I enjoyed my okra soup with banku. Feel free to enjoy this with some coconut tea, face the wall, dessert, eba, or any other thing that you can enjoy with this okra soup. Now also let me know in the comment section what you think about this deliciousness as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.